What implant system do we use here at the Cosmetic Dental Gallery? It can be quite confusing when you go to multiple clinics or if you have multiple consultations to know exactly what's actually being placed, as there are 1,000 different companies on the market for implants. The most important thing is to ensure that the implant that's being proposed has plenty of research and development behind it, so that you can know that the implant that's being placed has been well tested and well developed. Here at the Cosmetic Dental Gallery we use the Prima implant from Sweden Martina, which is an Italian company. They're probably one of the biggest implant companies globally. The Prima implant is an interesting implant because it's very different to the alternatives that are available on the market. Now, traditionally, an implant would normally be placed at a bone level, and what that means is the neck of the implant is sunk down to the level of where the bone is, or about 0.5 millimeter below that. With Prima, the top 2-3 millimeters of the neck are able to integrate with soft tissue. Now, why is this important for a patient to know? Well, especially in the aesthetic zone, where we're trying to control soft tissue and make teeth look like teeth, one of the biggest things that can happen when you have implants at the front is that the teeth can end up becoming quite long. And that's because if you're placing the traditional bone implant, you have to sink the implant down to the level of where the defect is, and usually the bone will have receded once the tooth has been taken out, and then the crown is made according to the length of the defect. One of the biggest advantages of using the Prima transmucosal implant is that the top 3 millimeters of the neck is able to integrate with the soft tissue. And as such, we're able to manipulate the gum or the pink tissue to copy the adjacent teeth. And so when the crown of the implant emerges from the soft tissue, it mimics exactly how a tooth would do that naturally, making the implant indistinguishable from the natural teeth.